Lyca Mobile US operates as an MVNO, leveraging Verizon and T-Mobile's networks to offer prepaid plans without contracts. This means lower prices, especially for international calling. Lyca Mobile provides coverage across the United States through its network partnerships. Key features include tiered data plans starting at $10 for 3 gigabytes, unlimited US talk and text, and international minutes to over 100 countries at rates as low 1 cents per minute. eSIM support is now standard for faster activation. Its value proposition centers on affordability, particularly for immigrant communities who frequently call abroad. Real-world example, a Pakistani-American family in New York saved $200 per month on calls to Pakistan. PC Mag praises its unmatched international value, highlighting why 70% of U.S. users switch for international calling benefits. The average cost per GB is $3, significantly cheaper than competitors. Lyca Mobile US relies on Verizon's strong rural coverage and T-Mobile's urban 5G networks, offering speeds up to 1 Gbps in select areas. Network reliability is generally rated 4 out of 5, though congestion can occur during peak times. Current trends show Lyca adapting to the 5G boom by offering data-heavy plans. This responds to a 25% year-over-year increase in data usage, driven by streaming and remote work demands. Looking ahead, AI-driven plan optimization is on the horizon for personalized international bundles. However, challenges include competition from carriers like Visible and potential increases in spectrum auction costs. Expert Mark Lowenstein suggests Lyca's focus on international prepaid makes it recession-proof. However, critics point out single network reliance as a risk. During Hurricane Ida, Lyca's Verizon-backed network maintained 98% uptime, building trust. The company has committed to carbon-neutral operations by 2027.